this is Kevin from Super Printing Bros, and I'm here at my desk. So I'm going to do Aragorn's bracers from Lord of the Rings. Aragorn's bracers are just forearm guards that he wears throughout the trilogy. For the most part, it's a pretty simple model, but there's a lot of detail. There's some stitch work. I think it's going to come out really great with the resin. It's only got really 3 colors. It's got black, a little silver, and some brown. So let's get into Blender and get started. So what I did was I took a reference image I found online, I created a displacement map which creates the image in 3D space, and then I curved that surface to create the outside of the bracer. As you can see, all the detail is retained. Once finished with the outer portion, I created an inner sleeve that I would slide my arm into. After I completed the model, I brought it into Armorsmith where I then sized it to my arm. I then brought the model into Chutabox where I added support, sliced the file, and got it ready for printing. After 28 hours, the print finally finished, and it is massive. It turned out way bigger than I expected. First step is to get all of those supports off, and then we can wash and cure. I know you might be thinking, why is there only one? With the time restraints we had, I didn't want to have to worry about making 2, so 1 had to work. Since the print was so big, I had to hand wash it. After that, I put it in the curing station for 20 to 30 minutes. The first test fit went great, so let's get to painting. First I used the airbrush and created a base coat of brown to match the leather. I then took a brush and did a lighter base coat on the inner portion of the bracer. A little dark wash and this thing's pretty much finished. But if you want to see the finished piece, check out Super Printing Bros and tune into the Super Printing Prop Battle finale.